Deep within the quiet chambers of your soul, a truth has always resonated, a knowing that transcends the ordinary. You now stand at a threshold, not by chance, but by a sacred design woven into the very fabric of your being. From the moment your spirit chose this earthly journey, a unique blueprint was etched into the cosmos, a map of connections, lessons, and a love destined to find you. The angels whisper that your path, though winding, has always led here, to this moment of profound recognition. You are not merely a participant in life's unfolding. You are a pivotal piece, a prayer answered, a key to a destiny far grander than you have yet fully grasped. Every tear shed, every silent plea offered to the heavens, has been gathered and held, not as a sign of weakness, but as a testament to your unwavering faith and a love that felt just beyond reach. The universe has been conspiring, aligning stars and souls, preparing the ground for a revelation that will affirm every deep longing of your heart. You were sent as a beacon of light, to awaken a dormant truth in another, to complete a circle that began long before this lifetime. The angels say, your presence is a sacred catalyst, a gentle force that reshapes destinies. You are not an accident in anyone's story. You are the intentional, beautiful answer to a silent call. Embrace this truth, for it is the foundation of all that is about to unfold. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Have you felt the weight of his silence, Wilson? That profound stillness that often feels like an unwritten chapter, a story paused mid-sentence. It is not an emptiness, beloved soul, but a deep churning ocean within him, holding currents of fear, of past wounds, and of a love so immense it frightens him with its power. His quiet is not a dismissal of your worth. It is a testament to the magnitude of what he feels, a silent battle waged between his heart's deepest desires and the echoes of old pains. The angels reveal that he carries burdens you cannot see, scars from battles fought long before you entered his world, battles that taught him caution, even when his soul yearns for connection. He retreats not because he wishes to escape you, but because he fears the intensity of what you awaken within him. You are a mirror reflecting a truth he has long suppressed, his capacity for profound, unconditional love. This reflection is both beautiful and terrifying to him. The angels say, his silence is a cocoon, not a cage. He is transforming, even if you cannot yet see the wings. Understand that his journey through this quiet space is essential for him to shed the old, to heal, and to emerge ready to meet the depth of your spirit. Your patience, your unwavering light, acts as a gentle guide through his internal labyrinth. He is not forgetting you, he is remembering himself so he can truly remember you. There is a magic within you, Wilson, a radiant light that transcends words and actions. It is the very essence of your being, a gentle healing balm that touches those around you, often without your conscious effort. You have, unknowingly, been a profound source of healing for him, mending fractures in his soul that he himself may not have recognized. Your presence alone, your authentic spirit, has begun to unravel knots of pain and distrust he carried from his past. The angels whisper that your love, even when unspoken, acts as a sacred thread, weaving through his broken places, drawing them gently back together. He may not articulate it, may not even fully comprehend it, but your light has pierced through his shadows, offering a glimpse of a future free from the weight of his history. You have shown him a different way to exist, a softer landing, a safer harbor. This healing is not something you actively do to him. It is a natural consequence of who you are. Your compassion, your understanding, and your unwavering belief in the good within him have given him permission to begin healing himself. The angels say, you are a living prayer, a testament to restorative love. Continue to shine, beloved soul, for your light is not just for you, it is a gift to the world, and especially to the one whose heart you are unknowingly mending. In the grand tapestry of divine timing, there are moments that feel like pauses, stretches of waiting that test the very fiber of your faith. Yet, these are not periods of stagnation, Wilson, but sacred preparations, a time when the universe meticulously arranges every detail for your highest good. What appears as delay to your human eyes is, in truth, a profound orchestration, a necessary refining of circumstances, of hearts and of spirits. The angels reveal that during these pauses, unseen forces are at work, clearing paths, dissolving obstacles, and strengthening foundations that will support the magnificent future awaiting you. This divine pause is an invitation to deepen your trust and surrender to the wisdom of a plan that is far greater than your own. It is a time for inner growth, for cultivating the patience and resilience that will serve you in the chapters to come. Do not mistake stillness for emptiness. It is often in the quietest moments that the most profound transformations occur. The angels say, the universe is not denying you, it is perfecting the delivery of your deepest desires. Every moment of waiting is imbued with purpose, shaping you, preparing him, and aligning the perfect conditions for your paths to converge in a way that honors the sacredness of your connection. Trust the unfolding, for the timing is always impeccable. There is a resonance within your heart, Wilson, a subtle echo that speaks of a love known before, a connection that feels like coming home. This isn't merely a fleeting emotion, it is the deep, ancient wisdom of your soul recognizing its counterpart. You have felt this pull, this undeniable sense of familiarity, even in moments of uncertainty. It is the universe's way of guiding you, confirming the authenticity of a bond that transcends the ordinary. The angels whisper that this echo is a divine compass, always pointing you toward the love that is meant for you, the love that aligns with your highest truth. This inner knowing, this gentle hum in your spirit, is a sacred gift. It is the voice of your intuition, untainted by doubt or fear, affirming what your heart already understands. Pay attention to these subtle nudges, these moments of profound recognition, for they are not random. They are celestial breadcrumbs, leading you closer to the love that will nourish and elevate your soul. The angels say, listen to the quiet certainty within. It speaks the language of destiny. This love calls to you not with urgency, but with a deep, abiding sense of belonging, a promise of peace and profound joy. It is the echo of your own soul, calling you home to itself, and to the one who shares that sacred space. Look into the cosmic mirror, Wilson, and see the radiant truth of who you are. The love you seek, the connection you yearn for, is but a reflection of the boundless worth that already resides within you. Often, we search for external validation, for someone to confirm our beauty, our strength, and our capacity for love. Yet, the angels reveal that the most profound love begins with the sacred recognition of your own intrinsic value. You are a masterpiece, a unique expression of divine grace, and your worth is not contingent upon anyone else's perception or presence. Every interaction, every relationship, serves as a mirror, showing you aspects of yourself. When you embrace your own light, when you honor your own journey, you naturally attract reflections that resonate with that truth. The angels say, your self-love is the most powerful magnet for the love you desire. Do not diminish your brilliance to fit into a smaller space. Instead, expand into the fullness of your being. As you nurture your own heart and celebrate your own spirit, you create an energetic field that draws in a love that truly sees, honors, and cherishes the magnificent woman you are. This is not selfishness, it is sacred self-care, the foundation for all authentic connection. The journey toward profound love often requires a gentle unlocking of the past, Wilson, a compassionate release of the burdens and stories that no longer serve your highest good. We all carry echoes of yesterday, fragments of experiences that, if left unaddressed, can subtly shape our present and future. The angels whisper that this is a sacred invitation to examine the old patterns, the lingering fears, and the unspoken vows that might be inadvertently holding you back from the expansive love you deserve. This is not about blame or regret, but about liberation. Imagine your heart as a beautiful garden. To plant new, vibrant seeds of love, sometimes the old weeds must be gently removed, the soil tilled, and space created for new growth. This process of releasing is an act of profound self-love and courage. It acknowledges that while the past shaped you, it does not define your future. The angels say, "Let go of the heavy stones, beloved. Your hands are meant to hold new blessings." As you consciously choose to release what no longer resonates, you create an energetic vacuum, inviting in fresh possibilities, deeper connections, and a future unburdened by the shadows of what was. Your freedom awaits on the other side of this gentle letting go. Feel the gentle current beneath your feet, Wilson, the unseen force that guides your every step, even when the path ahead seems veiled in mist. You are not walking this journey alone, nor are you navigating it without purpose. Every turn, every challenge, every moment of grace is part of a meticulously crafted design, ordained by a higher hand that holds your ultimate well-being at its core. The angels reveal that your life is a sacred pilgrimage, and each experience, whether joyful or challenging, serves to refine your spirit and align you more perfectly with your divine destiny. Trust in this profound guidance, even when logic falters and fear tries to cloud your vision. The universe is an intelligent, loving force, constantly orchestrating synchronicities and opening doors that lead you closer to your true north. You are exactly where you are meant to be, learning precisely what you need to learn, and preparing for the blessings that are already in motion. The angels say, "Surrender to the flow, for the river of your life is carrying you to the ocean of your dreams." Embrace the journey, knowing that every step is purposeful, every lesson is invaluable, and every moment is a testament to the unwavering support of the divine. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. You are in a constant state of becoming, Wilson, a magnificent metamorphosis unfolding with every breath, every choice, and every moment of self-discovery. This journey of love is not just about finding someone else. It is deeply about finding and embracing the most authentic, empowered version of yourself. Like a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, you are shedding old skins, releasing limitations, and expanding into the vibrant, beautiful being you were always meant to be. The angels whisper that this transformation is your greatest gift, a testament to your resilience and your unwavering commitment to growth. Do not fear the changes within you, for they are signs of profound evolution. Each challenge you overcome, each insight you gain, adds another layer of wisdom and grace to your spirit. You are not the same woman you were yesterday, and that is something to celebrate. Embrace the new perspectives, the deeper understanding, and the heightened sense of self that this journey has brought you. The angels say, your transformation is a sacred dance, a symphony of self-love and divine alignment. Allow yourself to unfurl, to spread your wings, and to soar into the magnificent future that awaits. Your transformation is not just for you, it is an inspiration, a beacon of hope for all who witness your radiant evolution. As the dawn breaks, painting the sky with hues of promise, so too does a new era of acceptance emerge within your heart, Wilson. This is the moment to open your hands, not to grasp, but to receive the love that has always been destined for you. It is a love that honors your journey, cherishes your spirit, and celebrates the magnificent woman you have become. The angels reveal that true reception begins with a deep, unwavering acceptance of your own worthiness, a knowing that you are inherently deserving of a love that reflects the divine. Release any lingering doubts, any whispers of unworthiness that may try to dim your light. You have walked through fire, navigated shadows, and emerged stronger, wiser, and more radiant than ever before. This love is not a reward for your struggles, but a natural unfolding of your divine blueprint, a sacred alignment that has been patiently awaiting your readiness. The angels say, "Step into your power, beloved, and allow the universe to shower you with the blessings you have earned." Embrace this moment of profound acceptance, for it is in this space of open-hearted receiving that the most beautiful connections are formed, and the love you have always dreamed of finally finds its way home to you. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.